In 2025, Bank of America has fully integrated Zelle QR Code functionality into its mobile banking platform, making peer-to-peer payments faster and more convenient than ever before. Finding your QR code is simple and straightforward. First, open your Bank of America mobile banking app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the Send Money with Zelle section within your mobile banking app. This is typically found in the main menu or Payments section. Once you're in the Zelle section, look for and select Show My QR Code. This will display your unique personal QR code that others can scan to send you money. To send money using a QR code, go back to the Zelle section and choose Send Money. Then select the Scan QR Code option to use your camera. After scanning the QR code, enter the amount you want to send and add an optional memo. Finally, confirm the transaction using your biometric authentication or PIN for security. Receiving money is even simpler. Just share your QR code with the sender via text message, email, or show it to them in person. Once the sender scans your code and initiates the payment, you'll receive an instant notification. The funds are typically available in your account within minutes, making it one of the fastest payment methods available. Bank of America's Zelle QR Code integration has streamlined the entire payment process, eliminating the need to manually enter phone numbers or email addresses and reducing the chance of sending money to the wrong person. Bank of America's Zelle QR Code feature comes with specific transaction limits designed to balance convenience with security. Understanding these limits helps you plan your payments effectively. For personal accounts, the daily limit is $3,500. This means you can send up to this amount in a single day across all your Zelle transactions. The monthly limit is $20,000, giving you substantial capacity for regular payments while maintaining security oversight. Business accounts have significantly higher limits, with daily limits reaching up to $50,000, depending on your specific account type and business needs. Security is paramount in digital payments. Bank of America has implemented several advanced security features for Zelle QR codes in 2025 to protect your transactions. Dynamic QR codes are a key security enhancement. Unlike static codes, these refresh every 10 minutes, making them much harder for fraudsters to intercept or misuse. Biometric authentication adds another layer of security. For transactions over $100, you'll need to verify your identity using fingerprint or face recognition. Artificial intelligence-powered fraud detection continuously monitors transactions for suspicious patterns, providing real-time protection against fraudulent activity. End-to-end encryption ensures that all QR code data is protected throughout the entire transaction process, from your device to the recipient's account. Following security best practices ensures you get the maximum benefit from Zelle QR codes while protecting yourself from potential risks. Never share screenshots of your QR code publicly on social media or messaging platforms. These codes contain sensitive payment information that could be misused. Always verify recipient information before confirming any payment. Double-check names, amounts, and payment details to ensure accuracy. Use secure networks for all transactions. Avoid public Wi-Fi when possible, and regularly monitor your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. By following these limits, security features, and best practices, you can confidently use Bank of America's Zelle QR Code feature for fast, secure digital payments.